Aftermath, Iyaloja, the new grandmother of the Lagos market women.
I thank you, my dear ones.
Hey, is it a boy or a girl? Is her nose as big as her mother's own? Did she come into the world hungry? Oh yeah, don't leave us waiting. Come now, sorrow Jerry.
Don't get away from. You understand? You're angry.
Because of the woman came to perform at the mall. The boys got angry and beat everyone up. We are sorry, Yabaja.
No, Yawa. For the elder man, stand up. Yes, Iyaloja. The old mosque was turned upside down, especially when the masquerade tried to enter. Only Allah took control. There would have been bloodshed.
May Allah forbid. It shall not happen in my
So it's serious business for her. You get the point. So I see the relationship, and you've been with her for a long time. You get the point.
Ahmed! Bola! I screamed all over Lagos, not knowing that you were sitting pretty in the cell. You, my son, the son of Abibatu Mogaji. Do you want to kill me?
Iyaloja, Mama Tinubu, ọmọ tàgbà lè ń pè ìyẹn nílé Olúbísí tí sọmọ ẹranko yájò ní.
My name is Ola Wakon. I'm the executive producer of Abibatu Mogaji, the opera, and the chief executive officer of Artworks Communications. And I have my prof here, Professor Ahmed Yerima. He's our prof, our daddy, our daddy, and he's a playwright and the director of Abibatu Mogaji. And the idea behind Abibatu Mogaji, the opera, is to lend the voice to inspiration for women, for ladies in the society. We believe so much that Mama Abibatu Mogaji of blessed memory, she lived to fulfill her destiny while she was alive. She passed through so many challenges to ensure that she got to the level that has now made her something that the world is talking about. You can't talk about Nigeria as it is today without mentioning Mr. President, and you can't talk about Mr. President without mentioning Abibatu Mogaji.
So I think I'm just particularly happy that my two sons are here. very creative songs, and they make me feel very excited and make me feel achieved. So of course, and as you have explained, this is about women empowerment, letting the women know. And of course, you already know that I'm a woman. That's why I bet you. You know, we love the women. I will always encourage them to do well.
Professor Ahmed is a very strong advocate for women.
Yes.
From his plays like I2, from plays like that, you know,
the sisters,
wives. He's someone who always has never failed to show the strength in women, even if society tries to downplay the strength of women. And this play is a testament to that. So I'm really proud that this is going out there to represent and strengthen all women out there. So proud to be.
Thank you very much.